Hey guys, Charles Phillips here with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you how to use the power folding second and third row seats in the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. So come on in and show you. It's really simple to use this. Just open that lift gate there. Now right here on the passenger side in the rear of the Tahoe, you've got your second row, and this is for the bucket seats, and then your third row for the bench seats. So of course down is going to be folded down. So you got a 60-40 split in that bench, so you can fold each side down independently from each other. And to go down, and the third row will actually come up as well. Just hit that up button, and we'll kind of cut it short just for illustration purposes. You can see there it comes up and down. Second row, hit down to flip the seat back down. Hit it one more time, and that seat will actually flip up to give easier access to that third row. Same for the driver's side. Hit it once to fold it down, and once again to pop it up. Now the second row you have to manually fold down. It's super simple to do. If you'll come around, I'll show you how easy that is. So open your rear door here, push down on the seat, and lift up on the seat back, and it's back into place. So there it is, guys, the power folding seats in the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. Don't forget to come see us here at McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people.